Does this stroller's smooth fold and lightweight make up for its struggles on bumpy ground?
We're trying the Nuna TRIV Next in case you aren't able to, starting with what you'll love about it.
This stroller is super lightweight, it's compact, it weighs a little more than 18 pounds.
It looks way more compact than a lot of other full-size strollers.
Really nice, not as clunky. The fold is super simple. What's really nice about it is whether the seat is facing forward or facing parent, you could just fold it down. There's this little strap underneath. You're gonna pull it, put it in the car, you're good to go.
Okay, that's a win compared to a lot of other full-size strollers.
Now, with folding this, if you do want it to stand on its own, you do have to lock the front wheels first.
When it comes to the seat, there are multiple seating options. It's reversible, it has a deep recline,
and the padded seat is made from merino wool, which is really great, super soft, super comfortable for baby, and it's temperature regulating. It's newborn ready. It comes with the ring adapter that pairs with any of the Nuna infant car seats. You can also purchase separate the Nuna little bassinet too.
It also has a couple adjustable features for comfort.
The handlebar I think is great because if your partner is taller, you have the option to extend it. I'm not so tall, so I'm probably gonna leave it at the base.
That is where I would leave it too. And the footrest, just by pressing the sides, you're able to adjust it higher or lower.
Especially if your baby wants to have his legs down or anything like that.
Especially as they grow, I feel like this is a really adaptable stroller.
The basket underneath is much larger than a lot of full-size strollers, but it only carries up to 10 pounds. So I feel like you have to be careful with what you put under it.
Yeah, but I do like how spacious it is. I feel like it's very open, like you don't have to go digging.
And what's nice too is I feel like you can put your things in from the back or the front. You don't have to turn it around. What's really nice is there's like a secret zipper back here. So if you want to put your phone, your wallet, your keys, you'll have easy access to them. It's really great. When it comes to the canopy, it's great. It's UPF 50+, which is awesome. When you extend it, it has a peekaboo window in the back, so you can see baby there. But what's also really nice is you unzip this and the canopy is gonna extend.
That's a very large coverage for a canopy too.
As for fabric, it's made with super high quality materials. The inside seat is machine washable, and then everything else you can just spot clean, which is really convenient.
And on top of all that, it's also GREENGUARD Gold Certified, which means that it passes a lot of extra rigorous tests to make sure that it meets safety standards when it comes to chemical emissions.
Nice.
And if it's something that your baby is going to be sitting in, safety is our first priority.
Absolutely. And now for some things that might not work for you.
Okay, so when it comes to ride and maneuverability, the wheels are a little bit smaller than some other full-size strollers, so that can create less suspension and a bumpier ride.
Another thing to think about is there's multiple steps when it comes to the fold. If you do want it to stand on its own, not only do you have to make sure that the handlebars are already down, you also have to lock the front wheels, otherwise it will not stand.
And then for the fold itself, you have to fully fold the seat down and then pull it up. And there's just a couple extra clunky steps, which if you're holding a baby in one hand and have to do your stroller with your other hand,
you can't.
It can't.
It's a two-hand job for sure. And some parents have mentioned that there are limitations with the harness. If your toddler is bigger, especially if they're wearing bulkier clothes, it might be a little tight.
And there's some nuances when it comes to the brake. When you push onto it, it kind of has a little jolt.
You have to make sure it locks.
Yeah, it's not a really smooth brake transition.
And then some parents have even mentioned that the brake jams after a few months, which would require warranty service.
And as a parent, your time is limited enough. So the hassle of having to do that,
you don't want to do that.
You don't want to do that. When it comes to multiple children, this really is just a single-use stroller. So you can't add an additional seat, no rider board. This is really just a one-child stroller.
As for price and affordability, it is on the higher end, but it is a premium stroller. So you're gonna get all of the features that you're looking for.
You can really tell premium materials.
Yes.
High quality.
Definitely. You're getting your money's worth.
Worth the price tag.
Yeah. So what's our final take?
The Nuna TRIV Next is a sleek, city-friendly stroller that's great for running everyday errands, travel, and compact living.
With its easy fold, reversible seat, and premium materials, it offers a smooth and convenient ride from day one.
While it's not built for rough terrain and has limited storage, it shines in quality and everyday usability.
Do you have more questions about the Nuna TRIV Next?
Or is there other baby gear you'd like to see us try? Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching Babylist Tries It, where we try baby gear in case you aren't able to.